Hi YouTube, Michael Beckett here. So it's October the 31st, 2014. So it means it's Halloween. Spooky. Halloween, by the way, is actually sort of done in Japan. It's mainly a commercial enterprise. But people do trick-or-treat from time to time. Certainly everyone, lots of kids dresses up. I just saw a little girl dressed as a wizard, for example. Not much else to report really, just checking in, although there's one thing, and it's a bit unusual this actually, but there's another tropical storm out there, or depression at the moment, just beyond the Philippines, quite a bit beyond the Philippines. What's unusual about this is it's quite late in the day really for typhoons. If it becomes a proper tropical storm, it's tropical depression at the moment, it will be a typhoon Nuri. And it's too early to say whether it would actually come to Japan. But yeah, because typhoon season really is June to October, and yes, technically it's still October, but October the 31st. Come on. Anyway, nice way to end Halloween night. Danger is lurking. Anyway, see ya. Bye.